Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on week 3 of the photo shoot prep. So we got 9 weeks to go. And I thought in this video, I would share with you one of my favorite things that I like to do, usually for the weekend or like around Friday when you feel like you want something different from your normal meals or diet, however you want to say it. Today I am making pollo al pastor tacos. This is my favorite way for like when at the end of the week you had a very busy week or stressful week and all you want to do is just kind of give yourself a little celebratory meal. This is one of them for me. So I'm going to be cooking this. At the same time, I am prepping protein ahead of time because one of the things that I like to do is I like to have a small food prep batch for the weekend. And if you haven't gotten my meal prep free guide, I do have it down below. You can click the link and download it for free. That's where I go over on how I like to prep food for the week to make my life so much easier. So let's get started on making these chicken tacos. So here I have my turkey being cooked and I'm just gonna keep it simple with the seasoning because that way I can later on make different meals, whether I want to make like a salad or a burger bowl or tacos. It doesn't really matter because I'm gonna use the garlic salt. And then in a different pan, we're gonna go ahead and make our chicken. So I like to use the spray oil. I do buy my chicken from Aldi. That's where I do all my shopping. I'm pretty sure I've seen it like in Smart and Final, and maybe you'll find it somewhere else. I really like it because it's already seasoned for you. So I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit. And then what I like to add is some of this once it's already cooked. So I'll go ahead and bring the camera back on when I'm gonna add this. Okay, now that the chicken has been cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and add the gochujang. And then 1 tablespoon is about 10 calories. Keep in mind, this is more than 1 serving. So we tend to make maybe 3 meals. So it's 4 tacos for me, 4 tacos for my husband, and then we have some left over for the next day. This is kind of makes me think of the candy, the tamarindo candy. So you do have to let it cook in there so it starts to dissolve. The more you add, the more spicy it's going to be. So I don't like to add too much if I don't want my chicken too spicy. And I already have the turkey already done. And now we're gonna start assembling tacos really soon. All right, so these are the tortillas I use, Romeros. They're 32 calories for 1 tortilla. So I'm gonna have 4. I like corn tortillas with my al pastor tacos. And we also have these like flour tortillas that we found at the market. This one's 65 calories, so these would be better for me. But just wondering in the comments, do you prefer flour tortillas or the corn ones? These are good. I definitely had them. I like them with normal chicken tacos, like when I make like shredded chicken or when I just have like chicken tenderloin. I'm gonna warm up a few for my husband. And let me show you the setup. Here we have the onion and cilantro that I did not cut. So fun fact about me, I love onions and I love to cook with onions, but I just cannot cut them. Like my eyes cry way too much. And then we have red salsa and green salsa that I did not make myself, bought it, and then lime. And I like to feel like I have a full setup when we are making our tacos. Okay, so here I have 4 ounces, an ounce in each taco. I feel like everybody knows, you just do your toppings. It makes you, at least for me, it makes me feel like I am eating out. I'm going to add the green salsa. I don't know, maybe I'll try the red one, but I am team green salsa. I don't know what team you are, but I'm gonna go ahead and add both. And here you have it. This is my Friday night meal. It's something I look forward to eating on, the weekend, because the weekend sometimes is a little bit difficult to want to stay on plan. You get extra cravings. So I really enjoy making these tacos. All right, well, come back for this week's summary. The scale did move, so I have an update of how week 3 has gone. Bye.